Getting disconnected in the middle of gameplay because your GameSir G7 SE suddenly stops responding cannot be good. Many users notice the controller disconnecting randomly, reconnecting on its own, or cutting out during important gaming moments. Sometimes the controller works perfectly for a while and suddenly disconnects, while other times the issue starts immediately after plugging it in. In many situations, a GameSir G7 SE disconnecting issue can happen because of loose cable connections, USB communication problems, temporary software glitches, or power interruptions. Before reconnecting everything repeatedly or assuming the controller stopped working completely, these are the steps you can try to fix this and get the GameSir G7 SE working more smoothly. 1. Disconnect and reconnect the GameSir G7 SE cable securely and confirm the connection feels firm on both ends. 2. Try another USB port on the console or computer because connection interruptions may happen from unstable ports. 3. Restart the console or PC and reconnect the GameSir G7 SE after startup finishes completely. 4. Inspect the controller cable carefully and test another compatible cable if disconnecting continues unexpectedly. 5. Start a game and confirm whether the GameSir G7 SE stays connected normally afterward.